Are you ready to take sustainability and self-reliance to a new level? From April 9th to 12th, Frontier Fellowship provides 4 days of real hands-on training, homesteading, bushcraft, hunting, emergency preparedness, and more. I will personally be covering edible plants, medicinal plants, primitive navigation, primitive water filtration, and tarp shelters with a touch of primitive shelter. This is really all about learning hands-on with qualified professional instructors. You get to ask questions. It's not watching a YouTube video or trying it on your own. It's having professional help there to help you. You get to practice the skills and leave the event bringing those skills home. Day passes and camping, all available. Go ahead and get your tickets now while you still can. Go to fluent-frontier.com to get your tickets today. I'm Will White, owner of the Pike Danish Bible School, and I'll be teaching at Frontier Fellowship this year, 2026. Frontier Fellowship. Learn it, do it, live it. It's going to be awesome.